Another clear indication this evening from the Andrew Holness-led administration that a full reopening of the entertainment sector, including the staging of parties, will depend on the level of vaccination in the country. Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressed the matter at a virtual diaspora symposium on Wednesday.
People in Jamaica looking on at their family in the diaspora being able now to go to restaurants and move about and go to parties are looking on our government and saying, why are we being so strict? Why are we targeting dancehall and why are we shutting down parties when see people overseas? But they forget one critical distinction, and that is our vaccination rate is just under 8%. The only way that we can have any confidence of a reopening without a reoccurrence of a spike or uncontrolled spread is if that reopening is coupled with vaccination. And that is the reality.
Mr. Holness asked members of the diaspora to use their influence to get their local relatives to take the vaccine so that the entertainment sector and wider country can reopen faster. The Prime Minister, however, explained that in the next few days, he will announce recrafted restrictions that will attempt to balance the needs of the entertainment sector with the public health situation.